Understanding party hat. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fun phrase used in the English language, party hat. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Party hat generally refers to a cone-shaped hat that people often wear at birthday parties or other celebratory events. These hats are usually made of paper or thin cardboard, adorned with various designs and colors, and are often secured with an elastic band under the chin. When you think of a child's birthday party, these hats might be one of the first images that come to mind. In many cultures, hats have been symbols of celebration, distinction, or authority. The party hat, with its vibrant colors and playful designs, embodies the spirit of joy, festivity, and celebration. In English, if someone says, "Put on your party hat," it might be a figurative way of telling someone to get into a festive or celebratory mood. Let's look at how party hat can be used in different sentences. 1. Every child at the birthday party wore a party hat. 2. When the New Year's countdown began, we all donned our party hats. 3. It's Friday evening, time to put on your party hat and celebrate the weekend. There you have it. The phrase, party hat, is not just about a piece of festive headwear. It can also be a symbol of celebration and joy. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember, language is full of fun and playful expressions. So, the next time you attend a party, don't forget your party hat, both literally and figuratively. Happy learning!